Hooray! Cunt!
This drill was too big for. Just don't want to fit in headlights. We got some wheels on the back.
So Ruben has a Corolla that he pretends he doesn't have. Here it is here. Bit of progress here finally.
Got a 2JZ.
It's got a 2JZ motor.
It's actually a 4A GE.
It's a 4A GE. Tell us a little bit about this car.
I bought this car in the UK, in Birmingham, off Paz. It was 1600 and I took it apart and chopped it up and made shit of it.
Yeah, it's looked like this since 2010, 11
anyway.
2011.
Yeah. Everyone asks me, what are you doing with your Corolla?
Yeah, I'll have a picture of flash up here. It used to look like this, and now it looks like this.
I did bring it once or twice.
Yeah.
And then I said, oh, I need a V8, yeah, 1UZ, that's going to be cool.
That'd be so cool and really easy to fit.
Yeah, and then it was fitted.
I actually got it running.
And then it was running once.
These are the legit quad lights for the one you or for one
well,
you
you see,
conversion,
everyone is doing that quad light front thing, so I just thought, I think this is a pretty popular front as well for them.
Yeah.
I bought this on eBay. It said it was K70 headlight.
K70 Corolla front end. It's a good bolting spot then.
Now it's only a 7-cylinder. Don't
Everything
stop the
has
dirt.
to be a fucking joke.
Stop having the dirt. That was on.
Stand back and admire. Yes.
So I'd say.
Too far over.
This must get you hyped to finish it.
Yeah, I'm really excited now. There's just that fucking modern front on an old car.
Yeah,
It just wins every
fucking
time.
nothing like it. It's a weird sound.
Oh no.
What?
The fucking nut fell off the alternator. It's like a nut.
That's definitely
That
what that
looks
was.
like the nut off the alternator.
Jesus Christ.
Oh shit.
Looky, we heard that now. Fuck.
She wouldn't be charging with that missing.
No, wouldn't do that really. Anyway, back to this.
So anyway, where were we?
Man, that's fucking proper aggressive looking.
You think so?
Yeah.
You're not joking?
No way, man. You should get the Civic bonnet over there and put that on it there as well.
Yeah, all the vents are cut.
All the vents are cut in the Civic bonnet. It kind of follows the same shape. It's got holes cut in it already.
For the V8.
For the V8. Oh man, I knew that was going to work. Yeah.
Oh shit.
No. You fucking serious? Shit.
I think that looks shit. No, does that not look?
What to do with the Advan colours?
What? Yeah, we get. So we stole everybody's voice scripts when we were putting on the roof.
Are you serious?
Here you go, Aim.
Thanks, man.
Dougie,
We're
you
giving
then.
away free voice scripts.
No, your name's on this one.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Sound.
Ruben, I didn't put your name on the voice scripts.
Thanks, Ian.
You don't like that voice script?
This shit.
Man, it did a lot for us. Next on the list of stuff, we're going to take apart the head. Dougie has this nice little box for all the valves.
Oh, well, all the valve train.
Valve train.
Everyone called it that.
Oh.
Magic. Magic.
So this is a 20 valve engine, as you can see by all 20 valves. What are these?
Buckets.
Buckets. Okay.
And that's your shim.
Okay.
So these are what adjust your valve lash.
Valve.
The clearance between the bucket
Okay. Yeah.
and the cam, which is this thing. This is a camshaft.
Yes. Yes. And that makes that move up and down. Around. Open. Close.
So now the rough part.
Alright. Oh shit, they're the things you were laughing about. When they go back in, it's going to be the worst pain.
Yeah, they're a pain in the arse.
Yeah.
Sometimes they behave themselves and come out.
So we're going to fill in every single one of them.
I always keep them in the right place, even though you're going doing everything.
Yeah.
Keep everything where it should be.
I like that you made this thing.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? And now, see all these kind of rough casting bits?
Yeah.
You can clean all them up. That stops oil, you know, like oil you just pull on them.
What, so foil them?
Yeah, just like a little die grinder, get like a screwdriver and chip them all the bits away. And then look, you can do this as well, you can hit them off each other.
And then that's when they bend and explode.
And then you can do it with this one as well, look. But we can do these the opposite way. That these ones will be, the exhaust will be down. And the intakes can eat them if you want.
Oh! No, it's okay, he's dead.
There wasn't enough in the car, so we found another one.
Look at that.
Good night. We have exhaust. One.
Look at this. Nice.
Exhaust. Two. This is a 16 valve board, so I put 2 here.
Oh.
But you get that 5 effect, look. Look at it.
Ah, here, man.
Look, you get that nice 5 fitment.
Nice.
Nice.
This engine is very lucky. It's gotten a second chance.
I suppose I should go get my next tool, should I?
Do you have another tool?
I do.
What is it?
It's the red-handled ting tool. Awkward on the 20 valves. Try not to punch yourself in the head.
Oh, in the head.
Oh, the punnage is amazing.
Did it?
2 hours later.
Yeah. Ahoy! Right. And that was disassembling a head. 106. Now everyone has learned a lot from this because we do very insightful tutorials that don't really go anywhere.
You okay? You alright?
Right, so the car is getting jigged next Saturday. So I'm just gonna...
What day is Saturday?
St.
Patrick's Day. But I'm just gonna clean up all these, well, seal up all this raw metal because the car is gonna be outside.
Oh, that word is just terrible. That is so offensive.
They're always in an appropriate position.
It all the way.
That's how you restore.
This is how you restore a car. You just paint over everything.
Did you wipe it clean first?
Yeah, I made sure that it was all cleaned down. There was no contaminations around. I'd say a few episodes back, we filmed like some funny clip. And then today Barry brought this to my attention that it was just still here months later. So, oh, the smell. So about
Gilmore Girls.
2 or 3 months after we filmed this, it's just still here.
I'm smelling it.
Do you know why?
It's so bad. Look at
Do you
that.
know why it's
Because
so
Ruben
bad?
forgets.
Because Ruben doesn't clean up after himself.
I knew that was there.
And none of the rest of us
I'd
will
seen
clean
that a
up after
couple of
Ruben.
weeks
Well, no one knew. It was just hidden in disguise, just nicely.
Owen had a little peep in it there recently.
Like, look at it. It's just a Danish cookies box. Last time she was on this, it was a car. Comes. Hey, Davey. All right, now you can go straight back. Straighten up.
Give yourself an old smack there.
Oh no, I missed.
Jesus.
He just smacked himself.
Come on, it's not so hard. Look. Don't go.
Hey, hold out your fucking hand.
Oh!
Tap that out, yeah. Fucking grand.
Yeah. Alright! Cunt! Look at that cunt! We were so dodgy at one stage. Like.
Oh yeah, I was out there, I was like...
Yeah, you were, we kind of didn't think, we were like, oh, this is alright. It didn't rain either, which is nice. On the shell. Job, lads. 3 is the magic number.